Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sitting and we are going to test out this little tiny beauty blender washing machine. So if you would like to see if this thing really works, then please keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and stay a while. I picked this up on Amazon. I think I paid maybe, I don't know, $6, $8, $10. I know it was under $10 anyway. And what they have it advertised as a beauty blender washing machine, but you can clearly see like this is something that I would have played with as a child, you know, having Barbies or whatever. And actually we did own one, only it wasn't battery operated. It was one you had to actually push the little trigger to make it keep vroom, 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 you know what I mean? So, I think the only thing that you really would need to get this thing hooked up is a small screwdriver and 2 AAA batteries, which I've already installed to kind of shorten the length of this video. This is the box that it comes in. There's really no instructions other than needing the batteries and, I don't know, it's all in Chinese, so you really can't tell. Now, I went on ahead and got out of the kitchen a glass of water and a bowl so we can drain the machine when it's ready. Alright guys, we're just going to go ahead and I am going to open the little lid and pour the water in. If I make a mess on my vanity, I'm going to be so mad. And I have my dirty beauty blender. We're just going to pop her right in. And I am going to turn it on. This is not working out too good. I forgot to add my soap. So let me grab some soap. I'm going to pull the beauty blender back out because you know me, I just went gung-ho. And I'm going to set it down. I'm going to add a little bit of this Glam Glow, what is this? Gentle Bubble. I'm not going to put much. I'm just going to put a little. And get the beauty blender back down in it and restart her. Only this time I'm going to add a little bit more water because it looks like my beauty blender has soaked it up. Oh. Sounds like we had a little action there. It's not really turning the beauty blender, which, here, I'm going to turn it around because you see how this has got those flat edges? There it goes. We'll see if I can get you guys to see what's going on down in there. It's sort of moving around back and forth, but it's not really cleaning the side that I need. Set you guys back down. Hello. See if I can, well, you can see some water's coming out. I better not do that. Alright, stop. I'm going to turn it over and do the other side and see if it'll catch it now. Let me add a little more water. The beauty blender seems to be getting all the water. Oh, you can't add too much because it comes out the little exhaust. You might have added too much water. It is twirling the water down in there, though. I don't know too much about this thing, guys. Which the type of beauty blender I use is not a complete egg like most are. Mine has the flat edges, so. Which is a beauty blender that comes from Morphe. We'll let it go. I'll let it go for 2 minutes and see what happens. Alright, I went for 2 minutes and I am going to squeeze all the water out best I can. And this is what we have left. One side's really clean, but the other side where I really pound on that concealer is still dirty. So I am going to now take and I am going to empty the little machine out. We're going to do a rinse and see if that does anything as far as helping get her clean. I mean, I probably could do another wash and get it clean, but with a single wash, I want to see what this little machine does. The water is really dirty. I'm going to add some more water for the little rinse cycle, if you will. I'm going to put my beauty blender back down in it. Turn her back on. I may have to add more water, guys. Whoa, it's bogging down, bogging down. How old is too old to be playing with toys? Apparently into your 40s is still not too old. Alright guys, I went another 2 minutes. I'm going to take it out, get all the water that I can out of it, and see what we got. This is after the rinse cycle. We're still dirty. That one side looks really good, but the side that I really used looks really dirty still. It say on the little thing that you could use your makeup, you can clean your makeup brushes in this thing too. I wouldn't dare put my makeup brushes in this. And to be real honest with you, I wouldn't dare put my makeup brushes in any type of contraption. I had one given to me that, I'll insert a picture of what I'm talking about. I put my brushes in that thing and it destroyed my brushes. Never again. Final little thoughts on the kid machine. I don't know what they were calling it, the beauty blender washing machine. It is what it says it is. It's a kid toy. I remember this whenever I was growing up. The only difference was they didn't have the little where you can turn it on. It was a little trigger that you pushed back and forth, and the inside of it that would turn and twirl. And when I was a kid growing up, I would sit there and try to see how fast I could go with it, watching it turn. A far cry from what the kids have these days, cell phones and video games and whatnot. When I was growing up, we didn't have all of that. Yeah, you know, am I glad that I bought this little machine? Yeah, because I'm gonna tell you why. I would love to have this sitting in my background, and I will at some point when I get my room set up and have all of my things displayed. This will be in the background because I'm that extra bougie. Yeah, sign me up. I mean, for, I don't know, 10 bucks. What? I know what, I didn't pay over 10 bucks for it. I wouldn't have dared paid over 10 bucks for it, but it is cute. It does leak all over the place. Now, when I had it on, I had to set it on a towel because under here somewhere I had water, which could be that I added too much water. Guys, like I said, ultimately, it's just a kid toy. Amazon, I'm sure somebody thought, hey, I could put my beauty blender down in there, and somebody on Amazon ran with it, and obviously it maybe is selling like hotcakes. Alright guys, that's it for me and my beauty blender washing machine video. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay a while. I would love to make some new friends. And if you've been with me already, guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.